read and learn. Sky is so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. Me Sayyida Maryam Natwi from the Moonlight International Publishers. My sweet students, how are you? Okay, let's read with me primary colors with rhyme. Okay, look over here. Red apple, what do you see? Red apple, what do you see? I see a yellow sun shining on me. I see a yellow sun shining on me. Yellow sun, what do you see? Yellow sun, what do you see? I see a bluebird looking at me. I see a bluebird looking at me. Bluebird, what do you see? Bluebird, what do you see? I see red flower. Sing hello to me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Now it's time to say goodbye to all of you.